Why is the Apple Watch not tracking anything? So let me explain that and show you how you could fix this. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. If you feel like you are wearing the Apple Watch but no data gets collected, there are some reasons for it. First of all, I would grab the iPhone that's paired to this Apple Watch and go to the Watch app, of course, where you can manage all of the settings for this device. And one of the menus is called Privacy. And when you click on Privacy, you have all of the things and all of the sensors which you might be interested in turning on. By default, once you get at the Apple Watch, it's very likely that it's going to be turned on already. But if for whatever reason it's not enabled, just go to this section and make sure that you enable everything, right? So all of the things like the measurement, heart rate, wrist temperature, and so on, right? These are all of the things which need to be enabled in order to be tracked, right? So if your Apple Watch doesn't collect the data for calories, for example, but you don't have the heart rate enabled, then you know why. So me personally, I keep everything turned on just so I can get the most out of my device. At the bottom, we also have like a general fitness tracking toggle. So that is something which you definitely should keep turned on as well, which, is going to use the collected data to estimate your motion, mobility, step count, and more. So I would just keep that enabled. And at the bottom, you can as well reset and recalibrate the data. So if you feel like it's not being collected properly, then you can kind of like reset the whole process and start fresh, and hopefully the data is going to be better now. So that's what could be causing it. And outside of that, I would just say that it's just the way that you wear the Apple Watch. A lot of times I went for a run, but my watch wasn't strapped on my wrist correctly, meaning it was too loose. And if it's not, it shouldn't be too tight, obviously, but it shouldn't also be too loose either, because you want to make sure it can actually collect and track the data. So just make sure it's comfortable enough, but also tight enough that it can actually get at the data that it needs. So if there are some other thoughts which are going through your head or whatever else you want to share, you can use the comment section below. For now, that's it, and I'll see you later.